Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, second students? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, we have solved first 5 questions of exercise 2.5. So today in current lecture we will discuss and solve next 2 questions of this exercise. Question number 6. If tangent y into 1 plus tangent x is equal to 1 minus tangent x, show that dy over dx is equal to 1. This is an important question, repeated many times as a short question in board. So with the help of this given term we have to show that dy over dx is equal to minus 1. In this question, first of all we will write tangent y. This is tangent y and it is in product with 1 plus tangent x. When we write this 1 plus tangent x from left hand side to right hand side, it comes in its denominator. So now tangent y is equal to, first of all write this statement as it is, just like given in the question, and after that in second step tangent y is equal to 1 minus tangent x over 1 plus tangent x. Why we are doing this? Because we have to prove that dy over dx is equal to minus 1. So as you know, pi over 4, this is the value of 45. It means pi over 4 45 and tangent 45 is equal to 1. So we have replaced this one by tangent pi over 4. Add pi over 4 is 45 and tangent 45 is 1. So yeah, there is no issue while writing in place of 1 tangent pi over 4 minus tangent x as it is, while in denominator 1 we have written as it is, while tangent pi over 4 it means 1 and tangent x as it is. We have written tangent pi over 4 in the numerator and in denominator in 2 places, but it makes no difference. As you know, the value of tangent pi over 4 is 1. Why we are doing this addition? Because we want to convert this given statement into tangent alpha minus beta formula. You have learned in first year about trigonometric ratios, different formulas. So now it becomes a formula of tangent alpha minus tangent beta, 1 plus tangent alpha tangent beta. So this complete is written as tangent alpha minus beta. Okay, so now we can, this one is alpha and this x is beta. So we will write this complete in form tangent y as it is on left hand side, while right hand side it becomes tangent alpha minus beta, tangent pi over 4 minus x. Okay, so now tangent is present on left hand side, this tangent is cancel out with the tangent on right hand side, tangent cancel out, and left behind term is y is equal to pi over 4 minus x. Now differentiate to prove this one, dy over dx is equal to minus 1. Now take derivative, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So left hand side becomes dy over dx, while right hand side d over dx into pi over 4 minus x, it can be written as differentiate with respect to x, left hand side dy over dx is equal to d over dx pi over 4 minus x. Dear students, as we know, derivative is a linear function, it can operate separately on all terms. So derivative of pi over 4 is any constant and derivative of any constant is 0. Okay, it becomes 0, minus sign as it is, while derivative of x with respect to itself, you know very well, it is equal to 1. So dy over dx is equal to minus 1. Derivative of this constant pi over 4 is 0 and minus as it is, derivative of x with respect to itself is minus 1. So we have proved that dy over dx is equal to minus 1 with the help of this changing. When we have placed in place of 1 tangent pi over 4. So this is our question number 6. Now we are going to move question number 7. Question number 7 is y is equal to square root tangent x plus tangent x प्लस आप ये फॉर्म देख सकते हैं कि ये टेंजेंट एक्स तो डबल स्क्वायर रूट है, नेक्स्ट टर्म है टेंजेंट एक्स के ऊपर और ट्रिपल स्क्वायर रूट है, ठीक है, प्लस टिल इन्फिनिटी. ये कहाँ तक जा रहा है? टिल प्लस इन्फिनिटी. यानी जितनी भी टर्म्स आएंगी वो सारी की सारी जो है इन्फिनिटी तक हैं. अब यहाँ पे एक बात को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, y जो है वो इसके इनके इक्वल है, इन टर्म्स को जो गिवन है, सही. टेंजेंट एक्स अगर हम टेंजेंट एक्स को जस्ट राइट करें और इन रिमेनिंग टर्म जो 3 हैं, टेंजेंट एक्स प्लस टेंजेंट एक्स और भी आएगा, तो उनकी जगह पे हम y ही पुट कर दें तो हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं. और भी हमने प्रूव करना है, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट 2y minus 1 dy over dx is equal to secant square x. We have proved this one with the help of this given question. So we have followed now y is equal to this given equation and y is equal to square root tangent x plus y. इस सब की जगह पर हमने y पुट कर दिया क्योंकि हम कर सकते हैं ये इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है, तो इन सबको ऐसे लिखने की बजाय वी हैव रिटन हियर y. So y is equal to square root tangent x plus y and y is equal to all these remaining terms. Okay, squaring on both sides as to prove our given required condition. Squaring on both sides, so left hand side becomes y square is equal to tangent x plus y. Now after taking derivative on both sides, d over dx y square, when this y from right hand side come in left hand side, it become y square minus y. Now we have taken derivative, y square minus y is equal to derivative of tangent x. So now I apply power rule. 2 written here, y decreasing its power by 1, 2y dy over dx minus dy over dx is equal to tangent x, its derivative is secant square x. Now dy over dx we have taken dy over dx common, 2y minus 1 dy over dx is equal to secant square x. So this is our required condition. So we have proved that 2y minus 1 dy over dx is equal to secant square x. Question number 8. Next question, this is very important long question repeated in board. If x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta, show that a dy over dx plus b tangent theta is equal to 0. These are given terms and we have proved this one. So now we will differentiate both terms x and y separately side by side. First of all, take x is equal to a cos cube theta as given here and y is equal to b sin cube theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta as theta is given here in angle. So dx over d theta, d over d theta, a cos cube theta. First write the constant a on one side, then write the power in start and the left behind cos by decreasing its power by 1, cos square theta, and derivative of cos is minus sin theta. So it becomes as minus 3a cos square theta sin theta, minus sign written in start, 3a in multiplication cos square theta and sin theta. While on other hand y is equal to b sin cube theta, dy over d theta is equal to derivative of this term, b is as a constant written in one side, while first of all written here its power, then sin cube theta is written here by decreasing its power by 1, cube change into square, and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So 3b sin square theta cos theta, and we have to prove that a dy over dx plus b tangent theta is equal to 0. So to prove this one, now we are going to apply here chain rule. So dy over dx is equal to d over d theta dot d theta over dx, 3b sin square theta cos theta over minus 3a cos square theta sin theta, 3 cancel out, minus b over a, 1 sin theta cancel out the sin square theta, 1 cos theta cancel out the cos square theta, and left behind minus b over a. Sin theta or cos theta you know very well, sin theta or cos theta, this is a trigonometric ratio and it is equal to tangent theta. So we will replace this sin theta or tangent theta, cos theta by tangent theta, minus b over a tangent theta, while according to the required condition a will comes in multiplication on left hand side. As according to given condition, show that a dy, so a from right hand side comes here, a dy over dx plus b tangent theta is equal to 0. We have proved this one. So that's why a from denominator comes in multiplication of left hand side. So left hand side dy over dx becomes as a dy over dx is minus b tangent theta, and we have to prove a dy over dx plus b tangent theta is equal to 0. This term is negative, minus b tangent theta, when it shifted towards left hand side it becomes plus. So a dy over dx plus b tangent theta is equal to 0. This is our required proof. Dear students, we have solved question number 6. Question number 6 is very important. as short question repeated many times in board, while after that we have solved question number 7, and question number 8 is also important as a long question repeated in board, while it's your task try to solve question number 9. It's your homework. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.